everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's tap on apps and notifications. Here we have to tap on advanced, and right under it at the very bottom of the list we've got special app access. Here we have to find the option which is called install unknown apps, and as you can see, this is the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So in order to allow, for example, Chrome to install something, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. And now after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and the whole device on the risk. So remember about that. And of course it will work the same with all other apps, so simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. Of course you can turn off all of the permissions you've previously given. Just tap on the option, the app which you would like to turn off, and tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, from now on both of those apps are not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.